I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to make your X account private on your Apple iPhone or iPad. Step 1. Tap your profile icon on your X home screen and then tap Settings and Privacy. The settings screen opens. Step 2. Scroll down this menu and then tap Privacy and Safety. Step 3. Tap Audience and Tagging in the next menu. Associated options are displayed. Step 4. Tap to toggle on Protect Your Post. Going forward, only people who follow you on X will be able to see your post on the platform, and you'll be required to approve everyone who follows you. I'll link to my video in the description and pinned comment that will show you how to see your followers on X and how to remove people you don't want following you. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.